Welcome guys to another awesome fishing adventure. This is SA Carp Stories. I can't wait to show you what I've caught. It's been a quiet day, but I must ask you a favor. I have a dream and I need to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. So if you see anything that I might need help on, if you can give me some advice, but please press that subscribe button. Let's go! Guys, I want to share some interesting facts with you at this farm dam. So obviously in South Africa, it is quite brutal to catch good carp in the winter if you're doing it the way that I'm doing it, which is called papgooi, or the normal way of doing it. It's not specimen fishing. But today is one of the first warmer days of the season. And at this private dam, the temperature spike changes everything. The shallows are warming up and the carp are going to start moving. So let's get into the video and I hope the big ones are on soon. Alright guys, rods are ready, all the gear has been set up, I'm ready to go. I'm busy with my feed. I don't know if you know this product, it's from Magic Baits, it's called Cypri. It's a liquid carp food feed booster. Now this will create a feeding spot of note. This is PVA friendly for you specimen. I don't do specimen today, I'm going to be catching the normal papgooi way. This is a 500 milliliter bottle. It's something that you have to get. The smell is absolutely phenomenal. I cannot tell you. It says here it's a high nutrition value. Now I've seen a couple of videos about this product. People saying don't put too much or so. It depends on the feed what you are making. Moet nou nie die hele bottel gaan uitgooi as jy 4 scoops gaan gebruik. Just use it in the correct way. But what I've done now here is this I've already mixed or pre-mixed. I use a 50-50 ratio. There is the popcorn fine feed and then the heavyweight feed from Magic Baits. So I've taken 4 scoops. As I mentioned to you, it's already been mixed. So 4 scoops in here. And then I'm going to scoop 1 to 2 scoops of water. And then in my Cypri, now recently I've been doing this, I just add a gentle bit, a fair bit. I don't go too wild. Start mixing the feed through. Leave it for about 20 minutes. Let's get into the action. Let me show you my dynamite combo. Now what I love about this combo is this basically tells me what fish are looking for. Banana X from Magic Baits. This product has a beautiful sticky profile and I'm pretty sure where it lands in the water at the bottom, it will slowly bleed its way and attract those fish. Then Floating Gems by Magic Baits, Gif Appeltjie. This is pineapple and devil's drac. On the top hook, the bottom hook, I've got Vampire, which is the garlic. It's a small bleeding floaty. And then on the other side of the ball, Bun Spice and Clove. It's got quite a bit of fluoro in. Lovely products to use. Let's see where this takes us today. Okay guys, I got the first one here, but it's ran into these reeds. I'm just waiting for it to come up. Let's see. Yeah, it's there at the back. There it goes. I can see it in the water here, but it's going to be difficult to get. Let me try and pull here. I don't see the fish anymore, but I know it's here. So it's a matter of just getting it. But there's a piece of reed stuck. It's close. It's very close. I can see it. There it is. Got the carp. There's it. Yo. So it basically pulled a piece of this reed off. I had to come and get it in the water, but this was very difficult. I struggled with this one, but a nice fish. Let me get it off the line. Right guys, the first one for the morning, a beautiful mirror carp. Kind of small, but I waited a long time for it. Daar sy daar so baie mooi speeltjie. I think it's lovely. It's beautiful. It's not that fat. Beautiful fish, I must say. Let me show you what I've used for this beautiful baby. So on the ball, Magic Baits. They call this one Skunk. This is Devil's Drac and Musk. The other side of the ball, Honey Glow. Lovely fluoro. It attracts a good sweet scent. Then the Magic Baits small bleeding floaties. On the top hook I've got Barbie Doll, it's a berry, and at the bottom I've got the lovely Honey Glow, also the soft bleeding floaties. Guys, you've seen me with this. This is that new stand from Big Fish. It's called the Hybrid 4-Rod Pod, and I must say today I've really enjoyed it. It's very sturdy, it's tough, it stands firm on the ground. And this is something that you must have. You can use it either way if you like specimen fishing or if you do the normal conventional papgooi like I do. But this is a stand that everybody can afford. Very easy to set up. And trust me on this one, it does the job. Okay ouwens, nog enetjie. I've also waited quite a long time for this baby. Baie mooi vis, baie mooi karpie. I must say, Honey Glow has been successful today with that green flora. Maar regtig 'n baie mooi vis, julle kyk hoe mooi is hierdie visie. Back to the water, off you go.